So what you do with this body is to reflect on and how you serve this body for the physical manner, not in the balance of the mindfulness or the the meditation. So you have been given a body, yes, but this body has to be in a balance with the mind and the mindfulness in this meditation. And meditation is stepping back, it's retreating, it's taking a break, taking a vacation, and not this kind of vacation that we are normally doing in the Western world, where we go to a hotel and then we just do a lot of stuff anyway, instead of sitting or just lying or standing and being aware of what we're doing in the present moment. If we are sitting, if we are standing, if we are lying, in the observation of this, and then being bored, not having this hurry to get a lot of impressions and all kinds of inspirations from outside. So the right way to act is also aligning yourself with the way you are thinking. So if you are thinking peaceful thoughts and great thoughts and good thoughts about other people, then your action will also be aligned with that. So this teaching is helping you aligning yourself with your biggest potential in life, your highest potential in life to get enlightened, to be aware and to have a clear consciousness, a clear mind, and cultivate this crown chakra where the light and the energy field is flowing through you, to you and through you.